no AFCON ya Chelsea says kasa 1982
Yes.
Libya 82 a year after that Asante Kotoko Eji the Champions League efrio Kotoko no enye Champions League bi House of Folk 23 years ni and House of Folk e conquer Africa efrio. Listen to Kwabrebo oba me kasa mba ko pani wat.
It's been 41 long years since Ghana won the AFCON. It's been 40 years since Kumasi Asante Kotoko ruled Africa. And 23 years since glorious Akoma dominated the continent. The statistics sadly indicate the rest of Africa have overtaken us as we now play catch-up. We need to work smart and invest meaningfully in our sport to halt the rot. Isn't it sad that in our last 4 World Cup appearances, we cannot boast of any major legacy project from the FIFA money, much of which were shared among players and officials? We certainly have to take a second look at the practice, for instance, of paying as much as $100,000 to some management members as appearance fees.
Say, and the writer, right?
We must look at the practice of paying $100,000 in the name of management committee members. That nonsense.
Akoma FM 87.9.
100 wow. And more who say mine bonny ebono. Yes, sports. I was sporting disciplines in US. Falling under the Ministry of Youth and Sports, the whole year budget I allocated more money $100,000. Budget for the year $100,000. Kwabrani to me in such a crowd as say, young for $100,000 and for my penny. So a management committee member. No, what's not playing enough flight today. God save our football. Absapenny. Kwabran boss no kind. Me GD Pansa say Mr. Stephen Body and a kaya. Kapanyini na mfa asem no de obaya na se esu kono ma no tik and what radio so and na twasem a o ka kire panyini ne abusa so ka asem so wan kasa ye kro di batam on ka asem na bia ni para ka se na se chama asem abo hi kan de e wom so so abate se be won kan kwase asem but on cha asem no but de obaka se tik esu kono ma onu stivo na bastivo onu pepe no onu pepe kwa we hu no Okokumasi ayana no honketenkete ni kada no to ayi we ena no na ebe kire nyanza no wakana sa no wayira the import of asem no kwabra ebo na aka bi no also the practice of paying $100,000 kwabra ebo so sisu due twan $100,000
they was confirmed here by a large cruiser
almost shake say no ada sorry what's it the omkaza ombebre
momianka
also ada no kunyane no abusabanyi
yes sir
hwe ni patiri modin okroma no omunyo ma jomba ye boni ye omunyo ma sports no be ni ye etimi se nanu na mete se an executive committee member of the Ghana Football Association o se Asante Kotoko management o mo supporters na o mo complaining see you on matches bebre tie mo muska bebre 87.9 mo ko mo ntum nemum it says you matches bebre no mo kan to mo sponsors see you matches ye matches bebre etimo ade na ba TV ni so bebre na mo ma iska bebre
because mo space mo ya advert.
This is the school member abusan where the problem be ehun ni say those who are supposed to solve the problem no omuni the capacity asem makasa me say they don't have the capacity to solve the problem omuni capacity no no omuni capacity omuni capacity omuni benya
kudru no it's not about the Ghanaian managing the affairs of football omun coffee for onko kan chom say normalization anya wie ni area we don't need any person from Ghana so
should
the government should interfere
government and asem manka chom say edru bra first of all Prez Akufo-Addo as we declare state of emergency in our football and stop football, halt all football and sporting activities in this country. And now a revelation that so the my say GBA for no. And one say GBA for no must say fight be about near
the fight.
A week to a boxing bout. No more busaka near branch and say so bet me was I mean say almost $35,000. Yes, you been $3,500. So bo kra onyeska. Nyasa otie wonya hwe. Ya sanction bout.
87.9.
It was a penny say not just our football. Entire sports yes president Horton say Kim. But football no there. First of all normalization yenye. Say yenye ntina. Omate committee say omu review status of the heavy. Yenye. We didn't finish with our normalization. We didn't normalize it.
Sir.